Today we are continuing our study on poetry or poems. A poet is a person who writes a poem, and poets often choose words in their poems to help us see, smell, hear, and feel things. You have five senses: hearing, sight, taste, touch, and smell. Oftentimes, poets try to help you understand what they're talking about so that you can actually understand how it smells, or how you see it, or how you hear it, or how you feel it. In the middle of our section today, in the mini lesson, there is a poster. And in a poem called Ice Cubes, the poet's words in Ice Cubes say clicking, clatter, clink. Those are words that help you hear something. You hear clatter, clicking, clink. Those are sounds of the ice cubes hitting each other and the side of the glass, so it helps you hear it. In another poem called Oceans, the author says this: waves sneak up, waves snatch toes, waves water splashes. So what is he trying to get across? This is a feeling. If it grabs your toes, if it sneaks up, it's a feeling they're trying to create that the water is making. Waves feel like they are grabbing your toes. Waves feel like they're hitting your legs. And then in another poem called Leaf Soup, the leaves sail, the leaves spin. So it's all about leaves. So this is what you see. You can see them spin. You can see them sail. You see leaves flying through the air. You see leaves falling into puddles. So the poet in this poem is trying to help you see what he is describing. So oftentimes poets are going to use words that help you see, hear, smell, or feel things to help you picture in your mind what they're talking about. So if you read a poem today, find words that help you see, hear, or feel something. Write on a sticky note or bookmark the page where you found it and share it with your teacher or your parent. As you continue to read poems this week, and I want you to think about, what is the poet trying to do? Is he trying to help me see, smell, hear, feel? What's he trying to do? Think about it.